Hey, how y'all doing? I thought I'd show a video showing off this pocket knife I just finished up a little bit ago. It is another one of my Country Gentleman Hunter patterns. It turned out pretty reasonable, I think. Things centered up nice on it. I did some file work on the liners again. I used stainless steel liners, white ivory G10 for the handle scales, and the bolsters and shield is African blackwood. And the penstock I used was nickel silver. And this is the first time of attempting to do a bird's eye pivot. It's kind of hard to see, but I used a brass bushing in the bolster there. Next time I do that, I'm going to use a bigger diameter. This here is 3/16, and it works, but just barely. I'm going to use 1/4 inch next time, and I think it will go a little better for me. And add just a hair bit more contrast to it, I think. But anyways, it is 4 inches closed, and with it open, it is 7 inches long. And I did a stonewash finish on this one. Thought I'd be a little something different. And against the light colored G10 there, I thought it'd be a nice contrast. And so I think it turned out pretty decent. Has pretty nice action. I actually managed to get a pretty decent pull on this one. This, I'm thinking, would be just under a medium pull. Because it does pretty nice. But it still snaps closed pretty nice as well. So I'm pretty tickled about that. One of the main things about having the blade and back spring etched and stonewashed is the contrast it gives to the stainless liners. I think it helps make the file work pop just a little extra, but that's just me, in my opinion. Anyway, it's just a little short video giving you a look at this pocket knife. I do appreciate y'all watching my videos and following along with my pocket knife making journey. I hope you like what you see. If you do, give me a subscribe. Anyways, hope y'all's having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.